Welcome back to Barlow's Boutique, everybody. I'm Frankie. How you doing? Today, finally, I'm going to display this incredible sculpt by Mark Bear of Kenny from Terror Train. Terror Train is a slasher movie that came out in the 80s with Jamie Lee Curtis. One of the slasher trilogy she did: Halloween, Prom Night, and Terror Train. I'm sure Halloween 2, whatever. Anyway, Terror Train's always been a classic in our house growing up. Every time it was on, we would watch it. I love the costume changes that Kenny does when he seeks revenge. And I think Mark got my favorite costume that he puts on, the monk mask that Doc was wearing. So good. I love what he did with the base. Put the Groucho mask on one side. Again, the monk mask. And then on the side is the serpent mask, which Sean Clark just reproduced them. And they're available through him, but there's very limited. They might be gone already. I don't know. This was a lot of fun to paint. Although it took me forever because my painting was on a sabbatical for some reason. Anyway, I'll give you a closer look at this guy so you can check him out. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Go to X, Twitter, whatever you want to call it, and follow me there too if you can. Thanks.